So here we have a beautiful example of a waste to energy project, and we can see the whole example from beginning to end.
Selamat datang di YouTube Comestoarra.com. Oke pemirsa, kenapa saya menggunakan topi ini ya? Topi ini adalah topi khas yang ada di Kelungkung, Bali ya, di mana Kelungkung adalah tempat pertama kami mengimplementasikan metode Community Based Waste to Energy atau TOSS. Kelungkung ini adalah salah satu sejarah di mana saat itu Pak Supriadi Legino selaku Rektor STT PLN ya bekerja sama dengan Bupati Kelungkung Inyoman Suwirte dan juga Indonesia Power. Saat itu direktur utamanya adalah Ibu Sri Penny Inten Cahyani, dan ketiga instansi tersebut melakukan kolaborasi untuk melakukan penelitian dan juga melakukan pengabdian masyarakat sekaligus untuk membawa program Corporate Social Responsibility untuk kebutuhan Propermas di Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan. Di video ini saya akan mencoba untuk menyajikan kunjungan dari Murdoch University dari Perth, Australia, di mana pihak Murdoch University juga tertarik dengan program Community Based Waste to Energy. Kemudian mereka bersama sejumlah mahasiswanya melakukan kunjungan ke Kelungkung dan melihat secara langsung proses Community Based Waste to Energy atau TOSS di Kelungkung tersebut. Ada hal yang menarik dari kunjungan Murdoch University ini ya. Ternyata mereka sangat mengapresiasi sekali dan mereka ingin sekali terjun langsung dalam mengolah sampah menjadi energi, dan metode ini bisa langsung disosialisasikan oleh mereka secara tidak langsung ke dunia internasional, minimal di Australia ya, karena mereka juga melakukan dokumentasi via Instagram, kemudian melakukan vlogging dan segala macamnya ya. Otomatis teknologi apa yang kita implementasikan ya, mereka langsung mengupload dan juga bisa dipublikasikan ke mancanegara. Secara pribadi, saya bangga ya bahwa kami bisa mengimplementasikan TOSS dan juga menciptakan teknologi yang sederhana seperti kompor yang tadi teman-teman saksikan. Mungkin teman-teman pengen tahu ya, sebenarnya apa sih tanggapan dari tim Murdoch University terhadap TOSS? Ya, kita saksikan video wawancara berikut ini.
Could you tell me what is your opinion about
Yes.
this concept?
So here we have a beautiful example of a waste to energy project, and we can see the whole example from beginning to end. First of all, it goes into the bamboo containers, and then it is having the liquid sprinkled on there for 3 to 5 days, maturing, and then drying. And so there's some bioactivation occurring there. It dries out, and then it is shredded. And then once it's shredded, it is going into the machine to make the pellets. So it's then getting crushed and compacted into the pellets. And then the pellets can be bagged and on-sold to Indonesia Solar, and then Indonesia Power.
Yeah.
Indonesia Power. And then it is taken to the big coal-fired plants and mixed in at about 5%.
Yeah.
So burnt with the coal to reduce the carbon footprint of the coal thermal power plant, and at the same time dispose of the municipal solid waste. So we improve the waste management in the village, and instead of the rubbish going to the landfill site where it would decompose and generate methane emissions to the atmosphere, which has a global warming potential 30 times more than carbon dioxide, CO2. So we actually reduce the total carbon footprint from waste to coal plant. So the waste process has a reduced carbon footprint, and the coal power plant has a reduced carbon footprint also. So it's a win-win situation in the transition from fossil fuels to 100% renewable energy. This is part of the transition journey, and many good research has been conducted here on this complete life cycle by Supriadi Legino, and he's published the papers, and we can read those and understand the complete life cycle. Now the good thing also is that the pellets can be used locally by the villagers for their cooking. So they can burn the pellets in a highly efficient wood stove, which is highly oxygenated with a fan, so they can generate high temperatures and cook various foods on this barbecue. So overall, there's many win-win situations here, as well as significant reduction in carbon footprint across the whole life cycle.
Okay.
Terima kasih. TOSS. Yeah,
Matur
Indonesia,
suksma.
Australia.
Matur sukma.
Matur suksma.
Bagus.
Matur suksma.
Matur suksma.
Matur sukma.
Matur suksma.
Again, 1, 2, 3.
Matur suksma.